guys, look at my hair. It's so dry. How can I retrieve the beauty of my hair? Hello everybody! Hello everybody! What's up? What's up people of the world? Hello! Thank you guys for visiting my live stream. Hello! Hello my friend! Hello. Sorry guys, I don't know how to sing. Yabag kayo guys eh. Very yabag. It's okay. It's okay guys. Kasi ano magagawa eh. Hello 132 viewers. I know myself. Really? Guys ba? Subscribe ko guys, mga guys. Please subscribe me now. At kung wala pa ka-subscribe guys, please subscribe. Maluoy mo sa boss. And also guys, i-like o i-share po ako live guys. Please. I-share ang live na ko para more viewers. Thank you. So nonsense pero ako live. Ay po guys, oy. Kahit nonsense yung live ko, even though my live is nonsense, please help me guys, share my live stream. Hello, what do you do? Ulit-ulit ako sa kanta na yan guys. Ay, wala kasi akong alam na kanta. Mag-search ko guys, salit lang guys. Hindi ko po kanta guys, oy. Hi, 128 viewers. Thank you guys for visiting me here. Thank you kayo. Salamat. Hello, my friend. Hi guys. Wala, I'm so lonely tonight. Lonely is the night when I